All right, I had some onions and garlic browning in a pan, and I just added a pound each of ground beef and Italian sausage. And I'm just gonna break this up as it browns. I'll add a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes, juice and all, and then a couple of regular cans of tomato sauce. You can also do jarred marinara sauce if you have that. Either one will work. And then just to give it a little spice, I know the 6 Drummond kids can handle it, some crushed red pepper flakes, and then about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I love this baked ziti. Anytime I have to feed a bunch of people, I whip it up. Then a little salt and pepper. Okay, now I'll just let the meat sauce simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes to make sure it's really flavorful. And while it simmers, I'll whip up the cheese mixture for the baked ziti. So the first cheese is ricotta, just a tub. The next is mozzarella. I'll grate a pound and a half and add about 2 cups, keeping the rest for later. And I'll also grate half a cup of Parmesan and add it in with the other cheeses. Next, it's 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of minced parsley, some salt, and pepper. And then I'll just stir it together a couple of times. Okay, the cheese mixture's all combined. Now I'll get the pasta in to cook. I'm using a pound of ziti pasta. You can do penne, mostaccioli, any short pasta is just fine. Just pour it in. All right, now I'll just let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes until it's done. Now the pasta is all cooked. I rinsed it under cold water because I wanted it to stop cooking. And I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl with the delicious cheese mixture. And then I'll stir this so the pasta gets coated in all that wonderful ricotta, all that mozzarella. Okay, now the sauce should be slightly cooled. So I'll pour it right in with the pasta and the cheese. Now the purpose of this is just to give the cheese-coated pasta a little bit of a coating of sauce. Now I'll start the layering process. I'll add half of the pasta into this dish, and then I'll spread it all into an even layer. Now I'll top the pasta with half of the sauce. The sauce looks so good, it's been bubbling away. It's really dark and rich looking. You could just boil up some pasta, top it with this, that'd be a great dinner too. Okay, now I'll just spread the sauce into an even layer. Now on top of the sauce, I'll add a little more grated mozzarella. And then I'll start the whole process again. And this is going to be the perfect dinner for those 6 Drummond kids. I'm just gonna cover it with foil. The baked ziti goes in 375-degree oven until it's bubbly, so like 25 minutes or so.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, that's good.
Okay guys, pass your plates down and I'll serve you up. There we go.